I got some work to do. I gotta push lawnmower all out through here, and I gotta go out in the garden out there and do some work. I'm using my app here on my phone. I got the GoPro app on here, and I was able to get on here and tell it to start recording. But anyway, I'm gonna pause this, and then I'm gonna go in here in the garden and just go look around a little bit, see what I got going on. It's been hot today. Hot today, that's for sure. Not sure exactly how this thing's pointing, but right in this area right here, I had put peas in here back when these potatoes here were like that tall. The peas did not do anything. I guess I just had a bad batch of peas. You'd think the peas would just sprout within a couple of days, but they did nothing. But the potatoes, man, they took off. Really took off. And I've been mowing, pushing the mower, and as I collect what I mow up in the bagger on the lawnmower, I'll come back here and dump it. So you can see like 1, 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, or 13 bag loads from working on the yard. Putting it in the middle here in the walkways as a mulch to keep weeds from growing, but also to hold moisture in the ground. You can see here where, I've been doing some of that. And here on the ground, like especially right through here, you can see where I did it this past year. And you can see how much it's become just almost nothing. Over time, it just becomes nutrients for the soil. And it holds moisture in as well. But I've been doing it all around the edges and filling in the middle in different spots. See, I need to start doing it in here again. But yeah, I mean, it's just something. I mean, strawberries have been coming on pretty good. Got different things in here. Got some garlic here. I got some kale and Swiss chard, I believe. There's a couple old cabbages I stuck down in the dirt where maybe they'd root down in there in the bottom. I got different onions here. This thing is really taken off since I put it out here. It's loving the sunshine, that's for sure. But the other stuff I put in here hadn't done anything quite yet. I did some seeds. May not have been exactly the right kind of environment to throw some seeds in, but oh well. Other things sprout, like these little tiny things right here. I mean, they're sprouting, so all the other seeds I put in there should sprout. Got little grass things popping up. I just kind of get those out. See it? It did from seed. So yeah, you'd think they'd come on. Cat's been in here digging around, utilizing my garden as a bathroom. I hate it when cats do that. But yeah, it's been hot and dry. But underneath all this is moist. Like that one right there, I had put my hand down in this morning, and just like about that far down in there, it was moist, very moist. But you can see how this will mulch and do really well. To be able to, keep the weeds down and stuff. You can see how, as I walk through it, it creates a nice little path. Kind of pushes down and mushes down and everything, but it stays along the edge side. So I need to continue on through all these and do this, and it creates like a little carpet. So that's kind of what I'm working on today, doing odds and ends. It's like whenever I come out to the garden, I don't necessarily like have one big thing in my mind. you know, I think, well, maybe I'll get in here and get all the weeds out of a 4x8 square, you know, make it functional for growing veggies. But I also come out here thinking about a million other little tiny things, like my basil. That's basil right there. Basil's popping up. Got little onions popping up. Yeah, little basil plant right there. These things are putting out the what do you call it? The skates, I guess you can call them. Going flowering. You see how they're each one of these is its own little tiny flower, and little buggies will come and pollinate amongst all of these and create a bunch of little seeds. And there's basil, and there's basil. There's basil. So the basil's coming on. It's potato, volunteer potato from last year. Little different basil plants. Of course, I've got some of these coming on too, little flowers and stuff. But yeah, garden's slowly coming on. All this cardboard kind of got blown around in the storm. I got some tomatoes in here. They're coming on pretty nicely. Look at that, got a little marigold blooming. Another little marigold right there blooming. Got some little onions. Got weeds. It's amazing how well the weeds grow around here. The weeds grew really well in central and middle Tennessee. Really good, as you can tell by looking way out there. I got a lot of work to do, don't I? Ticks, believe it or not, but ticks are more active this year than they were last year. I did spray myself down with you know, some good stuff to keep the ticks and mosquitoes and, you know, the chiggers, flies, and all the little, you know, tiny critters that like to eat you, kind of help control them. But whenever I go like down in that area down through here, I get thousands of little tiny, little bitty tiny ticks all over you. That's why I don't want to go out there much. But I do need to get out here and do some mowing. And working on the garden out there, you know, I definitely got to get out there and finish that up. I got a problem with the garden tiller. Part of the handle is, the metal of the handle has been moved around so much it's actually cracked and breaking. So I gotta find some more metal to be able to add to it and strengthen it up to make it solid so I can get out there and actually use my garden tiller more. But yeah, I've got a lot of mulching to do. I gotta clear out all these weeds here and mulch and everything. These look just like what I saw over at the old farmhouse. And these two I know are elephant garlic, where I think this one here is like a regular garlic, I believe. I did have a bunch of them in here. Those were left over from last year. I do have some potatoes in here as well. But yeah, I've been just slowly doing things, slowly getting things done. And I guess you can tell I'm using a different camera today. I've got my GoPro on my head. Can you see in the, I don't know if you can see in down there in my my shadow. It's up there on my head. So I'm just messing around with my GoPro, and I got to get this cleaned up. And I was going to use this underneath new 4x8 square foot gardens to be able to you know, get these things, get some new expanded gardens going a little bit better. So anyway, I'm gonna stop the video right here.